How to make money from digital marketing. Hey everyone, ready to unlock the incredible potential of the online world? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate question: how to make money from digital marketing. It's not just a buzzword, it's a powerful pathway for entrepreneurs and beginners alike. Let's explore how you can turn digital strategies into real revenue. This isn't about quick, rich schemes, but about building sustainable income streams. Understanding the core principles will set you up for long-term success. Get ready to transform your online presence into a money-making machine. First, understand your niche and audience. Who are you trying to reach, and what problems can you solve for them? This clarity is fundamental for anyone wondering how to make money from digital marketing effectively. Building a strong foundation here makes all the difference. Next, focus on value creation. Whether it's content, a product, or a service, your offerings must genuinely benefit your target market. Without value, even the best marketing won't translate into sustainable income. It's about building trust and offering solutions. Now, let's talk about the channels that actually help you how to make money from digital marketing. Content marketing, through blogs or videos, establishes authority and attracts an audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, ensures your content gets seen by the right people at the right time. Email marketing builds direct relationships and drives conversions. Social media marketing engages communities and broadens your reach. Don't forget paid advertising like Google Ads or Facebook ads, which can accelerate your results and scale your income quickly. To truly understand how to make money from digital marketing at scale, you need to track your performance. Analytics will show you what's working and what isn't, allowing for continuous optimization. Invest in tools that automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for strategic growth. Consider diversifying your income streams within digital marketing. This could involve affiliate marketing, creating your own digital products, or offering consulting services. The more diverse your approach, the more resilient and profitable your online business becomes. So, how to make money from digital marketing isn't a mystery, it's a strategic process. Start by defining your value, choose your channels wisely, and commit to consistent learning and optimization. The digital landscape is always evolving, so stay agile. You have the power to create an incredible online business. Take these steps, apply them diligently, and watch your efforts transform into significant earnings. The journey starts now. Please like, share, and subscribe, and remember, to make money is a strategy, not a lottery.